Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Are you ready to answer a riddle? Yes, believe it or not, there is only one number whose letters are in alphabetical order. Can you find it? Once again I am repeating, believe it or not, there is only one number whose letters are in alphabetical order. Can you find it? Yes, good. The answer is 40. F-O-R-T-Y. The letters are in alphabetical order. Good. In the previous class, we have learnt about algebraic fractions. Let us have a small recap. What do you mean by an algebraic fraction? An algebraic fraction is a fraction in which the numerator or denominator or both have variables with or without constants. What are the two types of algebraic fractions? Yes, the two types of algebraic fractions are algebraic fractions having integral denominator and algebraic fractions having variable denominator. What do you mean by algebraic fractions having integral denominator? Yes, algebraic fractions which have only constants in the denominator are known as algebraic fractions having integral denominator. What do you mean by algebraic fractions having variable denominator? Yes, algebraic fractions which have variables in the denominator are known as algebraic fractions having variable denominator. In today's class, we are going to learn about operations on algebraic fractions. So, what are the four major operations? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here, we will study basic operations on algebraic fractions with integral denominator. Let us first discuss addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Let us solve the examples. Example 3, add the algebraic fraction. The first one is a by 5 plus 3a by 7. In the fraction, what will you do if the denominators are different? Yes, we have to take the LCM. Yes, what's the LCM of 5 and 7? Yes, very good. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. A by 5 plus 3a by 7 is equal to, here the LCM is 35. Here the denominator is 5. In order to get the number 35, we should multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the number 7. Here the denominator is 7. In order to get the number 35, we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. A into 7 is 7a plus 5 3s are 15, 15a. So what's the value of 7a plus 15a? Yes, 22a by 35. So the answer is a by 5 plus 3a by 7 is equal to 22a by 35. Can you understand, children? Yes. The second one is 2b by 9 plus b plus 1 by 3. So here I have to take the LCM of the numbers 9 and 3. So take the LCM. So both are divisible by 3 tables. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. Again do it with 3 tables, 1 1. So 3 3s are 9. So your LCM is 9. The first term, this is already 9, so you should multiply this one by 1, and here this is 3. So you should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the number 3. 2b into 1 is 2b plus 3 times of b plus 1, which is equal to 2b multiplied by this 3 with the terms inside the bracket. 3 into b is 3b plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 9. So what's the value of 2b plus 3b? Yes, 5b plus 3 divided by 9. So answer is 2b by 9 plus b plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5b plus 3 by 9. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 4. Subtract the following algebraic expressions. The first one is 5m by 21 minus m by 7. So the first step is you have to take LCM for the numbers 21 and 7. So both are divisible by 7 tables. So do it with 7. 3 7s are 21 and 1 7 is 7. Again do it with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3. Now you reach the number 1. So the LCM of 21 and 7 is 21. LCM of 21, 7 is 21. So 5m by 21 minus m by 7 is equal to, here the LCM is 21. The first term, already the numerator is 21, so you can write the numerator as such, 5m. In the second term, the denominator is 7. So you should multiply the denominator by 3 to get the number 21. So m into 3 is 3m minus 3m. So what's the value of 5m minus 3m? Yes, 2m divided by 21. So answer is 5m by 21 minus m by 7 is equal to 2m by 21. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one, a plus 1 by 4 minus 2a minus 3 by 5. So the first step, you have to take the LCM for the numbers 4 and 5. Take the LCM. Do it with 4 tables. 1 4 is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 4 tables, so you can write the 5 as such. Again do it with 5 table. 1 1. 4 5s are 20. So the LCM of 4 5 is equal to 20. Now a plus 1 by 4 minus 2a minus 3 by 5 is equal to, here the LCM is 20. Here the denominator is 4. So you should multiply the number by 5 to get 20. So multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 5. Here the denominator is 5. So you should multiply by 4 to get the number 20. Write this one as 5 times of a plus 1 minus 4 times of 2a minus 3. Multiply this multiply this 5 with the terms inside the bracket. 5 into a is 5a plus 5 into 1 is 5. Similarly, multiply this minus 4 with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus. 4 2s are 8a. Now multiply this minus 4 with minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3s are 12. Divided by 20. Now this is plus 5a and this is minus 8a. So when it is in two different sign, you should subtract and write the greater number sign. So here the greater, what's the greater number sign? Yes, negative. What's the difference between 8a and 5a? Yes, 3a. Now here the numbers, this is plus 5 and plus 12. So 5 plus 12 is 17 divided by 20. So we cannot simplify this one further. So you can keep this one as such. A plus 1 by 4 minus 2a minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 3a plus 17 by 20. Next, example 5. Simplify the following. (4a by 5 plus 6a by 7 minus 5a by 7. So let us solve this one. The first step, you have to take the LCM for the numbers 5, 7 and 7. So take LCM. Do it with 5 tables. 1, 7, 7. Or do it with 7 tables. 1, 1, 1. What's the LCM? Yes, 5 7s are 35. So LCM of 5, 7, 7 is 35. 4a by 5 plus 6a by 7 minus 5a by 7 is equal to, here the common denominator, your LCM is 35. The first term, the denominator is 5. So you should multiply this one by 7 to get the number 35. So here this is 7. So you should multiply by 5. The next one also the denominator is 7. So you should multiply by 5. Seven 4s are 28a plus 6 5s are 30a. 5 5s are 25 minus 25a. 28a plus 30a is 58a. 58a minus 25a is, what's the value of 58a minus 25a? Yes, 33a. 33a by 35. So 4a by 5 plus 6a by 7 minus 5a by 7 is equal to 33a by 35. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one, m minus 2 by 3 minus m plus 3 by 6 plus m by 9. What's the first step to solve this one? Yes, the first step is we have to take the LCM. So take LCM for the numbers 3, 6 and 9. Do it with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again with 3 tables. 1, 2, 1. Now do it with 2 tables. 1, 1, 1. So what's the LCM? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So LCM is 18. m minus 2 by 3 minus m plus 3 by 6 plus m by 9, which is equal to, here the common denominator is 18. Your LCM is 18. So here the denominator is 3. So you should multiply by 6 to get the number 18. Here the denominator is 6. So multiply by 3. Here this is 9. So you should multiply by 2. Here this is 6 times of m minus 2 minus 3 times of m plus 3 and 2 times of m. Multiply this 6 with the terms inside the bracket. 6 into m is 6m minus 6 2s are 12. Multiply this minus 3 with the terms inside the bracket. Minus 3 into m is minus 3m. Minus into plus is minus 3 3s are 9 plus 2m divided by 18. Now simplify this one. Plus 6m minus 3m. 6m minus 3m is 3m. 3m plus 5m is 2m. Sorry, 3m plus 2m is 5m. And minus 12 and minus 9. When you add these two numbers, you will get minus 21 divided by 18. So your answer is m minus 2 by 3 minus m plus 3 by 6 plus m by 9 is equal to 5m minus 21 by 18. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.